barely lift the speed. Hey guys, welcome. Craig, what's going on, brother? How you doing? Come on, baby. Come on. There you go. We over here on the bottom half of Atlanta. I'm heading home, man. I'm an hour and 45 minutes away. I haven't been home since last week, Tuesday. Tired, bro. Isaac family, what's going on? Hey guys, when you come in, don't forget to double tap. Give me that thumbs up, please. So I'm just taking you guys along with me. A little drive around Atlanta. Because as you know, big trucks cannot go through Atlanta. We have to go around it. They catch us going through Atlanta, we get a nice ticket. The only way we can go through Atlanta, unless we have a bill of lading saying we're delivering in Atlanta.
Very family. Here?
Huh?
Very family.
Thank you for coming by. I was looking up lunchtime thing. I didn't see you. What's the matter? You're not hungry no more? You don't eat lunch no more?
Isaac family said, okay, Dudley. Are you not reading?
I miss your little lunchtime. Coleman, what's up, brother?
She's on vacation.
Oh, and you couldn't take me along? Hope you enjoy your vacation.
Said she's in like Jamaican for a few days.
Oh, you on the main island. I really hope you enjoy it. Next time I go down, I'm going down as a tourist. I'm going into the tourist area. Go relax. You know, I'll go see family for a day or so, but I want to go down and get pampered. I don't get it. These cars, I don't understand why they just decide to be driving so slow, holding up traffic. People, don't forget to hit that double tap on your screen for that thumbs up. Right now I'm on I-75 northbound. I think this is this. I really do. come over. As soon as I'm finished, I'm gonna head over.
She said Jamaica vlog coming soon. She said be safe out there.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate it. Yes, we need a Jamaican vlog from you. Holy moly. I'm gonna rest good tonight. I got so much things to do when I get home. Gotta go get some horse manure and mix it with my chicken manure and let it sit. And I spread it in the spring so I can plant for next year. Woo! That car cut up straight across that car right there. All right, folks, here we go with the Atlanta traffic.
Look at this truck driver. He's trying. Oh, you're not. Oh, yeah. You wasn't paying attention, so you was trying not to hit that car.
Always remember when you run into traffic and you're gonna come to a slowdown, everybody, when you're driving, always put your flashers on to warn the people that's behind you. But this is early. Unbelievable.
1 o'clock. Yeah. How's the chicken and the eggs? Yeah, it just happened. So how's the chicken and the eggs going?
They're doing great. Remember, I have 3. I'm gonna go to the. They have a big flea market in Pendergrass. They sell eggs. They sell chicken. They sell everything. So what I'm gonna do is go get another one, another layer, because I started out with 4, and 1 flew out the cage, and the dog grabbed them and killed them when they were little. So I'm gonna go back and get another one to replace it.
So you don't think the other ones would be jealous?
They're just gonna have to get used to each other.
Do chickens kill each other?
No, but if it was like a rooster now, some roosters real aggressive. They just keep wind up picking all their feathers out. Some roosters very, very aggressive. I'm gonna see if I could get the same kind of chicken layer, because they have. I was just doing a Google search, and they have 20 different type of layers. So I'm gonna see if I can get one of the same that I have. So nobody gets jealous.
Hey, you ain't lying. I'm glad I don't live over there. I live out in the sticks.
Yes, thank you. Thumbs up
you.
the live.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, unfortunately, I gotta drive through this shit to get up to Conley every day, because I take this route every day.
That's
Damn, brother, the only luck I ever had in Atlanta was rain.
That's the drivers talking.
You ain't lying.
On
That's
the
the best
CB.
damn time to drive, too. I just don't understand. Yeah, they should make a lane for the idiots and a lane. We'll be alright.
Well, they were planning to make truck lanes.
As hell, it'd keep you guys from having to stop, go.
They were planning to make truck lanes from Atlanta to Macon. I don't know if they still have it in their plans. Yeah, that's the guy is communicating on the CB.
What do you want to do?
They'll complain, but they don't tell you where's the traffic, what's going on up ahead. All they do is just complain.
Everybody else.
Wow, they put that warehouse up real fast. That one? Wow. There's so much. Well, Atlanta was voted the #1 for business. But this year, I guess, or last year, because everywhere you go now, it's nothing but warehouses going up. So that means more traffic. More traffic.
Lots of trouble. People love everyone to celebrate.
I got another 20 miles of this before I get on 675. 675, right?
985.
980. No, 675.
Oh,
You know what I'm
675 up there? Oh,
Yeah.
but this is 75, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 675.
I know what I'm talking about.
Well, what don't ask me?
Look at it. Look at it. All this driving they're doing now, I'm still coming to pass them.
Jesus loves you, though.
I know he do.
Hey, Texas is wild. Hold on out.
Alright, so.
Oh wow. Yeah, more work. The only good thing is with
I was eating Mexican food for about 5 days out there.
these new warehouses, it creates new jobs, which I like. No problem. But for trucking, a lot of trucking companies going out of business. A lot, because the loads they don't pay. They cutting the price on loads. So, I mean, it's trucking business is very nasty right now. Tell him, come on up.
Oh, his thing stopped. Oh, his thing broke down.
All right, see, that's
why
what you
it's
call
happening.
courtesy. Stop, let them in.
Oh, his truck.
Truck broke down in the middle of the roadway. We have to be
Got a broke
courteous
down
out here
truck
to
in the
each
right
other.
lane, I think. Caught behind them. Yeah, call right lane.
It's moving now, but if I'm looking up ahead right there, where it's coming to when we. This is the how should I say, the 20 miles into Atlanta, and it's coming to a dead stop again right up here. That's how it is. This is an everyday thing. Every day. Sometimes it's backed up 30, 40 miles. here's the traffic starting again right here. It's like California. I can't even say New York because I'm used to the traffic in New York. I know how to do the go-arounds. But more vehicle out here, more trucks. Like I said, more warehouses, more trucks. And it's gonna get worse. It's not getting better. They're supposed to be widening the roads, but what's the sense of widening the roads? That means you're inviting more trucks and more traffic, more cars. So it's gonna be, no matter what you do, it's gonna be bad. For example, if you look at Miami on 95, they have 7 lanes on one side, and it's still traffic, still bad.
Yeah, no shit. If you want to see more of this, vote Kamala Harris.
You see? That's what they do. Talk about politics, talk about Trump, bad mouthing people on the CB. That's why I don't really.
What's wrong? Find it. Let's see. Oh, I can get me a massage. Thank you.
These people out here, that's all they do.
Yeah, they all ran for.
Come on, people.
Shit, my medicine out here is $1,600. It's fucking $80.
And sometimes these people that's talking on the CB, I would say 80% of the time, it's all lies they talking.
No bound. Typical Atlanta bullshit.
All right, come on, Atlanta.
And I said, yeah, everyone out here in Atlanta is working by the hour, getting paid by the hour.
Isaac.
Yeah,
Oh.
I think I'm already.
Alright. My bad. Don't think my foot comes back.
You silly rabbit.
That's why I say I missed my motorcycle. I just whipped right through it.
Yeah, your motorcycle whip back through it, but that's still dangerous. You ride down. That's how motorcycle people get killed. They riding in between the cars.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
On the white line and all that. Yeah, they don't understand how dangerous that is. And you see, if y'all could hear this person that's talking on the CB, if you notice, like he's the only one, that means he's tired.
Yep.
He's real tired.
But
I got all 3 shadows. My first bike.
Look at it, look.
Look at it, yeah. You see that? Y'all just see that?
Yeah, I got the carbureted one. That's the better one.
Well, somebody's
Guys,
talking to him.
don't forget to give double tap on your screen. Give me that thumbs up, please.
I got mine for $700.
Yeah, he's talking to somebody.
Thanks.
Just can't hear him.
Yeah, I'm sitting right around 10,000. Yeah, the Triumph dealership keeps trying to seduce me. I know I got to get me an electrical toolkit if I want to buy one.
Hold on a second. Yeah, that truck broke down back there,
I
but
remember back in the day when this trucking was better.
this right here is a regular thing. It don't matter what time of the day. This is I-75 north and I-85 north at the connector of 285. Always like this.
Yeah, no one's giving us any useful information on this shit.
Come on, people. Just keep it moving. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Let's see. My GPS trying to reroute me, but no, I can't do it. I don't like local traffic. I go local, it's more opportunity for accidents to happen. Alright, why is this lane not moving? Yo, I'll go on, brethren. Thanks for coming by. Don't forget to hit that like button. Double tap on your screen. Give me that thumbs up.
Don't talk another shit about gay people every time I hop on Grindr. Half y'all on there.
Oh my God, will you shut up? Well, I'm gonna concentrate on this traffic here. I want to thank you guys for stopping by, and I'll catch you guys later. Yo, you gotta start posting more videos, man. What's going on? Gotta post at least twice a week to build up your channel, man. But I'll concentrate on this traffic here, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good one.